filling hazardous chemicals into 200-liter drums, or IBCs. Safety starts with how the liquid enters the container. GSS Smart's swing arm. Filling machine uses a long tube bottom filling gun with an umbrella-shaped filling pattern to reduce impact, foam, splashing, and volatile material exposure. The multi-directional swing arm adapts easily to 200 liters times 4 pallet containers and IBCs, reducing manual repositioning. Differential-pressure anti-collision. Protection plus container detection plus an impact-resistant weighing platform provide multiple layers of protection for safer, more stable filling. Less handling. Better control. More reliable weighing. For hazardous and specialty chemicals, smarter filling means safer production and higher efficiency. GSS Smart. Precision filling engineered for safer chemical production.